These are a few of the new features in TerreSculptor 3.0 for March, April, and May of 2023. The Auto material allows for high-quality visualization coloring of the editor terrain using an RGBA splat map system. Numerous preset color sets are available in addition to user preset capabilities. The terrain vertex colors can be saved as a bitmap file for use as texture maps. The 3 Biome devices create 3 variations of weight maps and RGBA splat maps. Adjust the weight map values to get the desired layout and type in a file to save the output files. The splat map can be loaded into the Colormap material and tested. The command line interpreter performs multiple functions. It can load a project file, load a terrain file, or convert between more than 65 file formats. Using batch files allows entire folders of files to be converted. The Flowmap extractor device has been multi-threaded for better performance. The image color picker allows for choosing colors from an image to be used as one of the colors of the Auto material or Colormap material. The Mapper Dem Explorer allows browsing the entire Earth and then downloading a region into the editor as a high-resolution height map, with the ability to save favorite locations. The Colormap color palette supports drag and drop reordering